Again. So guys, in this video we will see how to create a space in Confluence. So guys, if you want to create a new space in the Confluence, so guys, it is very easy. So guys, here you see that there is a sidebar in Confluence, and in the Confluence here you see the option of spaces. Now you click the option of here, and then guys, this is my current, this is my start. And if you want to create the new one, if you want to import from the other tool, so you import, otherwise create a new space. Now give the space name. So my space name is test 3. If you want to collaborate and knowledge base and custom base, so guys, you choose any of the option for according to your purpose for this space. Now guys, here you custom space key, then click the option of next. Now which features you want? Live docs, calendar, whiteboard, database, slides, these features are on. So if you want to on this, so guys, you simply turn it on. Okay, all of these options are available. Now simply click the option of create space, and guys, that's it. And guys, here you see that your space is now created. This is my test 3 space in my Confluence. Okay, project tracker, recently update, everything is shows here. So this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.